Hey, what up, YouTube? How you live? How you living? It's your boy known as the Stock Dude, back on the prowl again. In this video, I got a low price, high quality stock that's trading under $10 per share. That's right, under $10 per share. And this one has just broken out of what's known as a downward wedge pattern. Now, for those that don't know, when stocks break out from under overhead resistance of a downward wedge pattern, they typically almost always trade higher. At one point, this stock was trading over $20 per share. Back in September, it was trading in 2021 in September over $20 per share. Right now it's trading at only $9.07 per share. So this bargain on sale low price stock is something that interests you. I suggest that you stick around because, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I want to take the time to bring to you the company that goes by the name of Rocket Lab USA Incorporated, ticker symbol RKLB, comes in at a price of only $9.07 per share. Now, just to give you a little bit of the description, Rocket Lab USA Incorporated is an aerospace company that focuses on developing rocket launch and control systems for the space and defense industries. Now, the company provides launch services, spacecraft components, satellites, and other spacecraft and on-orbit management solutions, and designs and manufactures and also sells electron and neutron launch vehicles, as well as offers Photon platform for spacecraft solutions. Now, the company was founded back in 2006. So Rocket Labs USA is an aerospace design and engineering company. Now, a lot of people are probably wondering, well, what exactly is aerospace, and why is that important? I'm going to do the best that I can to explain to you a little bit about how this works. So what is aerospace engineering? Aerospace engineering focuses on the design, testing, and manufacturing of aircraft, spacecraft, satellites, and also missiles. Aerospace engineers are responsible for creating and also developing these advanced technologies. Now, these engineers usually specialize in a particular product of the aerospace industry, such as missiles, rockets, military fighter jets, spacecraft, helicopters, or even commercial aircraft. So aerospace engineers also choose a specialty within the field, including instrumentation, communication, navigation, and control, design, guidance, or production methods. For example, one aerospace engineer may design a military helicopter, while another aerospace engineer may develop solutions to fix a satellite in space. So, just to be clear, this is a high growth, high risk potential stock that's on sale right now. Now, the field and technology is not going anywhere. Aerospace engineering will be here from now until years and years and years in the future. The U.S. will have to invest in this field for many years to come. Now, I got a question for you. Do you think the war in Ukraine will be the last war that we will fight or even be involved in? Now, we're not per se actually involved in the war, but we are at war price-wise and inflation-wise because of that war and what's going on over in Ukraine. So do you think that will be the last military conflict that affects us? Of course not, because the Bible tells us there will always be wars and rumors of wars. So this type of technology, aerospace engineering, is not going anywhere. As long as there's a need for missiles, rockets, fighter jets, helicopters, and things of that nature, this technology is going to be needed. And we're not even going to talk about the need that this technology helps as far as spacecraft and space travel. So I'll be honest with you, I don't know a whole lot about aerospace engineering. But what I do know a whole lot about is stock charts. So let us go to the chart. Once again, Rocket Lab USA Incorporated, ticker symbol RKLB, comes in at a price of only $9.07 per share. Now, as I said earlier, in September of last year, you can see this stock was trading over $20 per share. And right now, it's trading at less than $10 at $9.07 per share. But it also has a $18.86 price target, as expected to be reached per the analysts. That's what they think. So if this thing reaches $18, which is still less than it was trading back in September of 2021, you're looking at an easy double of your money. So if you got some money that you want to put to use, that you want to have invested in a technology that we already know is going to be around for years and years to come, I will take a look at Rocket Lab USA. Once again, as I say, we have a $18.80 price target. Now, the expected earnings per share for next year is expected to be 72% higher next year than it is this year. I don't know about you, but that's a lot of growth in their earnings per share. And we all know that earnings per share goes directly to the bottom line of a company. Lets you know what the revenue is expected to be like. So once again, this is a downward wedge formation. As of September of 2021, that's when this stock price was deemed by the rest of the market as too high. So short sellers piled in and forced the price down little bit by little bit, month after month. And then with all of the inflation that we have today, as well as the war in Ukraine, it's a lot of uncertainty in the market. And lower price stocks like this, I'll be honest with you, they do carry a certain degree of risk because of the fact that they are lower price stocks. Anytime you have a stock that's under $20 per share, it's a good chance that any uncertainty in the stock market will make that stock price fall even further. But I'm looking at this, and right now it's under $10 per share, trading precisely at $9.07 per share. So if you got some money you're willing to put to the side, and you got some money that you want to invest, I recommend that you look at getting shares of Rocket Lab USA Incorporated. Just in case you ain't heard, I'm the one known as the stock dude, and I'm gonna holler at you later. Peace.